In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file as self-employed using TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to review everything before you file. First, open TurboTax and sign into your account. If you've used it before, you can pick up where you left off. Otherwise, start a new return. Keeping everything in one place from the beginning makes the rest of the process much smoother. When TurboTax asks about your income, choose the option that best describes you: self-employed, freelancer, independent contractor, or gig worker. These all lead to the same place. TurboTax will prepare a Schedule C, which is the IRS form used to report business income and expenses for self-employment. Next, head to the Income and Expenses area. Go to Federal, then Wages and Income. Scroll until you find Self-Employment Income and Expenses and click Start or Review. This is your main workspace for entering everything related to your business. Now enter your business information. Provide your business name, business type, industry category, and your business address if you have one. If you don't operate under a separate name, using your own name is common. For business type, many people in this situation are sole proprietors, and the industry category helps TurboTax tailor questions to fit your work. It's time to enter your income. Add all the amounts you received from 1099 NEC and 1099K forms, as well as any cash payments or client invoices that didn't come with a form. Make sure your totals match your records. TurboTax will place this income on your Schedule C automatically. If you haven't started yet and need a quick way in, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and begin your self-employed return right away. Now let's capture your deductions. Enter your eligible business expenses like office supplies, mileage, a home office, internet and phone bills, and any equipment or software you use for work. TurboTax will offer categories to help you organize these. Good records here can reduce your taxable income significantly. TurboTax will automatically calculate your self-employment tax, which includes Social Security and Medicare. Generally, if your net self-employment income is $400 or more, expect to owe self-employment taxes. The software factors this in as you go. Before you move on, review your Schedule C details, your total income, your expense deductions, and the resulting net profit or loss. Make sure everything matches your documentation. When everything looks good, proceed through TurboTax's review and file your federal and state returns. E-filing is the fastest way to submit and receive updates. Thanks for watching and good luck with your return.